Don Taylor here with SoPro Real Estate Solutions, and we are bringing you our Paris house. All right, welcome inside of our home here at Paris. This is a very old farmhouse that sits on just a little over 2 acres. So inside this house is the utmost top finishes that we could give you. Starting off here in the kitchen, we have some floating shelves. Again, that is white oak that actually was custom made in our shop. We have stainless steel appliances, and we did a mixture of stainless steel, gold, and black. We have an amazing microwave drawer here for appliances, a 36-inch professional Viking stove, along with a French door, lower freezer, refrigerator combo with quartz countertops. What's special with this is the waterfall for the island. And again, just details that we make sure we miter our edges instead of just overlapping. So there are things that we just put the attention to detail that we would want in my own personal house that we actually do here in our flips as well. We have a huge patio door that goes back here. This is a custom patio door, and this is 8 feet by 8 feet. It allows a lot of natural light to come through, and it goes out to a huge cedar deck that overlooks an amazing view, backyard, the field behind it, and rolling hills back further beyond that. Starting from this point back, we have a new addition. And we did a full mudroom, entry, laundry, bathroom addition along with the garage and living space above the garage that we're gonna go take a look at right now. Up here above the garage is an amazing living space. As I said, this was just an addition that we put onto the house, and this can be utilized in many different ways. It can be a master suite. It could also be a guest suite, but in this case, we just chose to make this more of a master living area. So we have a master bedroom, a sitting area, along with a full walk-in closet and its own bathroom. I try to put elements and things that I would want in my own personal house or things that would be beneficial to other families. One of those key features here are ample storage spaces. So this was just an opportunity that we had that we were able to put in a small storage space here, whether it's for Christmas decorations or any other holiday decorations that you might want, or winter clothes, whatnot. But we also put lighting in here that can illuminate the space, and as well as a floor, and this is just within a truss system. This was a huge benefit with the closed cell spray foam that allowed us to utilize spaces like this in areas that we typically wouldn't have otherwise been able to. So we can go up to the attic and show you what I'm talking about with more storage space. All right, as we come up to the attic, this is usually not a place that we would come up and show in a video tour, but I want to point out a couple things up here. Again, we did a closed cell spray foam on the entire structure of this house, and it gives us the ability to utilize this attic in a way that typically wouldn't be used. What we did up here was we put our water heater up here. Being that 3 bathrooms are on the 2nd floor of this house and only 1 on the 1st floor, we wanted to have the source of hot water closer to the actual usage of the bathroom. With a high efficiency tankless water heater, it gives an endless supply of hot water. We also put the furnace and AC for the 2nd floor up here. Again, it's its own separate zone and gives us a more efficient way to do our mechanical systems. So as you see, I'm standing up here. It's a little over 6 feet tall in its space, but it gives an opportunity either for extra storage. I think my kids, when they were little, they'd want this as like their little reading nook place. So there's front windows here. You can do whatever you want to do up here. And I think it's just an amazing space that can be utilized for more than just an old rickety scary attic. Here we are in the basement. So some of you are thinking, a 100-year-old farmhouse, the basement can't be anything spectacular. And it's not. The truth is it's a small, short space. But we made and maximized the space to the best of our abilities. And by that, what we did was we ended up putting a full drain tile system in with a sump crock. We repaired any walls, any structural issues, any cracks, any seepage, any water issues. And we put down a specific paint to help with the moisture, as well as combat any future issues that would come with that. We black out the ceilings, we paint the walls, we paint the floor, and it makes it just a really nice clean space. I would actually put a man cave down here, and I have no issues putting my kids down here either, as far as the playroom goes. We do have one mechanical piece down here, and there is a dual zone furnace, and this furnace, an AC unit, maintains the temperature on the first floor and everything above the garage. The second floor here has its own separate unit that's up in the attic that we're going to take a little look at here in a little bit. Also down here we have a brand new well and water softener system. For those of you that have well water, having soft water is very important. Again, it's something that I would put into my own house. Therefore, we put it into our flips as well. So not only do we have what could be considered extra office space or a podcast room or living space above the garage, we have a first floor office space just for those of you that maybe work from home, or it could be a potential kids playroom as well. And that is just off the front living space on the first floor. As we come upstairs here, we have very large 3 bedrooms, 1 master suite. So we have 2 equally sized bedrooms with very nice closet space, and then a shared bathroom here. Again, everything up here is new. Everything was stripped to the studs. All new electrical, all new HVAC, all new plumbing, closed cell spray foam insulation, all new drywall, all new flooring. If you step over here into the master suite, again, a very large space. It has an amazing walk-in closet that can be customized to your needs with a full master bathroom as well. So typically we would tell people that we actually have the capability of 2 master suites on this house. One that's separate above the garage and one that's over here. It's an amazing space that really feels welcoming and warming. From a long day, you get to come and kind of come into your own retreat here.